All right, all right. What is up, everybody? Aldreama Harper here, your productivity strategist and coach. And I just wanted to hop on really quick. Um, if you are, this is actually my first live from my laptop, so I'm pretty excited about this. But I wanted to just share with you really quickly here about how to reduce the tax receipt overwhelm, how to reduce the tax receipt overwhelm. So let me introduce myself to you. If you're joining me for the first time, and you probably are only joining me this is probably your first time joining me because I haven't done a live video like this on YouTube. Normally I am actually on Facebook and sometimes Instagram, but I thought I would try out YouTube as well. So let me introduce myself. My name is Aldreama Harper, successbizacademy.com. I am a productivity strategist and coach, and I help entrepreneurs and busy professionals to systemize, streamline, and simplify their lives, right? And so today I want to share with you how to eliminate the tax receipt overwhelm. So this is the week, of course, that we just had, tax returns. We just got done with that. And so hopefully you are done with that until next year. But what I want to share with you today is just 3 steps to eliminate the tax receipt overwhelm, because if you are one of those people that wait until the last minute because you can't find all of your documents, or you can't find, receipts, or you got a whole box full of receipts, things like that, then I want to share with you 3 strategies that's going to help you, right? So that you won't have that problem next year, right? So 3 steps to eliminate tax receipt overwhelm. Step 1, you want to begin getting your receipts via email, right? Get your receipts via email, because now, not only do you want to stop having, all those misplaced receipts, because maybe you put it in your wallet, or you put it in your purse, or you threw it in a box, or someplace that maybe you can find it when it's time to file your tax returns, or maybe not. But it also reduces the amount of trees that you're killing, right? I mean, so it helps the environment. But here's the thing. Whenever particularly if you are an entrepreneur and a business owner, and you have receipts that you're using for your business, that maybe it's, a business lunch or business dinner, or perhaps you picked up some items that you have a receipt that you get a receipt for, and there are items that's related to your business or anything like that. If you go to like Office Depot and Staples and all that, you have the option, when you get ready to check out, you have the option to get that receipt emailed to you, or printed, or both, right? So I would recommend to you that you would actually have them, you could actually get them both. If you're the kind of person that you're like, okay, well, I don't need another email, or it's going to get, lost, or what have you, then you might want to do both of them. Have it emailed and have it printed. But I would really recommend that you get it emailed to you. Now, you can set up a separate email just for receipts, or you can just have it, sent to your, whatever email that you desire, right? So the first step, again, would be to get your emails or your receipts emailed to you, right? So the second thing I would recommend would be to use a phone app, right? You can use your phone app to scan them directly into your tax reports. Like if you use an app like waveapps.com, and you download the app on your phone, right? Then when you are having a business meeting, and maybe you had a lunch or something like that I just shared, then perhaps all you have to do is just take that receipt, because sometimes we forget, right? So you can take that receipt and you can just scan it directly into your Wave app, right? Where you can put it in the category that it needs to be. So hopefully you are actually doing that. But just go and download the app, waveapps.com, and create an account. If that's something that you're needing to do, then or you may not have heard of it, or maybe you want to start doing that, let me know in the comment section, and I can also do a video on how to use that as well. But anyway, so because that app will help you, will reduce the amount of time that you have to take to file and gather all of your tax return documents and stuff like that. And so again, I don't know if I said this already, but I'm not just talking about receipts. I'm talking about any kind of document, right? So the first thing you want is you want to have your receipts emailed to you, right? The number two, you want to use a phone app or an app where you can just scan the receipt on your phone, right? And just be done with it, right? And then when you are ready to file your returns, you just go there. If you need to print out the receipt or something like that, then you can print it out at that time. But you have everything in one place, in the cloud or wherever you store your electronic documents, and you can, put them in the different categories and things like that, and just send the report to your CPA. And if they need additional information in terms of, what's making up that total and things like that, then you can, look at it at that time. The third way that you can eliminate tax receipt overwhelm is to use a service, right? You can use a service like shoeboxed.com, right? Shoeboxed.com, which is SHOEBOXED. I'll put it in the comment section, where you can actually, if you're the kind of person that does this, right? And because I know people that, that struggle with this, they may not be as, you may not be as tech savvy, right? And so you may be the kind of person that's like, I don't want to have to scan receipts, or I don't want to have to use an app or anything like that. Then this solution is going to help you, right? So use shoebox.com, and I have no affiliation with it. I used to, but I don't have an affiliation with it anymore, because I used to actually use them myself, and as well as recommend it to my clients. And so all you do is sign up for an account, right? And I want to say it's anywhere between $30 and $50 a month. And they probably have some type of introductory offer, for the first month for free or something like that. But what you can do is you can create an account, then you can take your box of receipts, right? Once you create that account, you will get a prepaid envelope, right? Depending on what plan you use, you'll get a prepaid envelope. And with that prepaid envelope, all you're going to do is just take those receipts, throw them in the envelope, and send them to them and let them scan them, right? How freeing is that, right? So you want to definitely do something, that's going to free you up. I mean, who wants to spend all that time working on documents and preparing, for tax return? It's like the dreaded weekend or the dreaded, tax return time. Particularly if you're in business and you have a whole lot of receipts and things like that, you don't want to do that, right? You can find other things to do with your time, than preparing, for that. This will save you a whole lot of time. So anyway, when you send that bag of receipts, or you put those receipts in that envelope, that prepaid envelope, send it to them. And when they're done, they will send you a notification and give you a link to the image, as well as a spreadsheet, where you can then download that spreadsheet and use that spreadsheet for your documentation. And not only do you have a spreadsheet, but you also have the images as well. But someone else has done it, right? So how cool is that, right? So, and I know that there are other companies, maybe a local company that, that's in your area, in your neighborhood, that does something like that. But that's the recommendation that or the company that I've used before, and the company that I have recommended for my clients as well. So I'll put a link below so that you can see, so that you can just go and create your account and just eliminate the tax receipt overwhelm forever, right? So number one, you want to have those receipts emailed to you. Number two, you want to use a phone app or an app on your phone to scan, right? Like Wave apps. or you want to use a company or a service to actually do that for you, right? And of course, there's another option like Neat Receipt or something like that, where you can actually buy, they have like scanners, portable scanners, as well as the standalone scanner system that you can connect to your laptop or your computer desktop, and then you scan them, and then you can create any kind of report that you need, and then send that off to your CPA, right? So there's so many ways that you can eliminate the tax receipt and document overwhelm, and eliminate all that time you're spending for that dreaded tax return time, right? So I hope that this has helped you. If it has helped you, give me a thumbs up, would you? And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be coming on and doing more live videos on my YouTube channel. So let me know what kind of content that you would like to hear about. And listen, I'm here to help you. I'm a productivity strategist and coach, and I provide services to my clients, and I can do this for you as well, to help you streamline, systemize, and simplify your life. I give virtual organizing sessions, so we can hop on and do a virtual session as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just let me know. But really, I am here to help you with solutions to help you to systemize, streamline, and simplify your life. So, well, that's all I have. I'll be back, and I'll talk to you soon. This is Aldreama signing off. Have a great day. Bye.